Oh, he's getting it now.
Hey everyone, welcome to Heavy Metal Customs. Today, as you can see, we got our tool cart. This one I bought from Harbor Freight for $100. It's the color I wanted. I just had to wait like, 2 or 3 weeks for the thing to come in. But hey, it finally got here and I picked it up. So what I'm doing now is unboxing everything. So let me get everything unboxed, get all the plastic off of things, check out the directions and whatnot. And we'll check this thing out real close. We'll get it put together and take a look at it and see if it's worth $100 or not. All right, I got everything unpackaged. We got the instructions right here. And the first thing it wants us to do is put our wheels on. So this is the bottom of the cart. There's no front or back on it. So hopefully it'll just sit right there. Comes with everything that you need. All the nuts and bolts and washers. To put this together with, you're going to need a 10mm wrench, half-inch wrench or 13mm, and a Phillips head. But for the wheels here, just take these here. They got these stove bolt type heads that go through. Flat washer. And put your nut on. And it is them good locking nuts. That I just lost. Yep. Alright, well, let's get all these on, and like I always tell y'all, remember, get your bolts and nuts started first before you go tightening anything up. That way if there's a hole a little off or something, you can wiggle jiggle and make it fit or whatever it is that you need to do. Alright, let me get all these wheels on, then we'll go to the next step. Alright, we've got all of our casters on there. Cool, cool. I think it needs a little alignment there. But, let's get that part done. Set this down out of the way. Alright, next we need to put the this top on here. So let's get it out of there. Alright, we got it unlocked. Just open our drawer. And it goes on there with 4 bolts and nuts. I'll tell you what, should have saved 4 of them stove bolt types for this. Because it's just got 4 of the regular bolts and nuts. The other ones would have been a lot nicer. Yeah, they're supposed to take the regular bolts up top. Not super thrilled about that. So we'll go bolt, washer, and a washer and a nut. Well, I dropped the washer. This would be a lot easier if I was to take the drawer out. I'm just not sure on how to do it. That's all right. We'll deal with it. Yeah, we can finagle our hands off in here. It's gonna be no problem. Grab me extra half inch here. Which Till we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Get that all buckled down, and then we'll move on to the next step. All right, we got this all bolted in. Now we need to put these on. So let's grab our base again. Them right there got scratches in them, I do believe. All right, there's our base. There's a bunch of short ones here. They're Phillips head with little 10mm nuts. And we just basically, like so. Alright, just run around all the bottom, get these bolted in. There will be 4 on each one here on the bottom. Alright, got all 4 of them in there and tightened up. Now what we need to do is drop this down in here, but we're only going to run bolts in the front and back, not through the sides yet, because that's where our handles go. So go ahead and grab us a couple of these short boys here, have them set out ready to rock, because this is not going to be no fun sitting here holding trying to get everything started. Yeah, I reckon I could grab something and hold this up, or something to pick it up, or something along them lines, but I think we should be able to just grab this if I can figure out how. I don't want to drop it. Let's see, we got to go over in here. It basically just sets down now. These here. Alright, that'll sit on top of that. That'll be handy to get one started. This is one of them things that's probably best if you had a friend helping you, but I don't have anybody here at the moment, so you make do with what you got, alright? Alright, it ain't fell on us yet. Keep your fingers crossed. Alright, well this end won't fall. Go ahead and grab us 2 here. Yeah, this is not too terrible to do, and to do by yourself. You just think a little bit. Alright, now we know 150% sure it's not going to fall on us. See if I can get that nut started. Alright, cool. Let me go ahead and get the other 4 in there and get them tightened up, and then we'll put our handles on. Alright, got them others in there, but I did not tighten them up yet, because we want to get the handles in there first, get them started, before we tighten it up, just like doing anything else. Handles go right down in there just like so. And they give you these longer bolts for that. And the same flat washer and the nuts. Which is pretty cool that they do give the locking style nuts. I do like that. Alright, so let's get 4 in each side and get them tightened down, and that should have us all taken care of. And voila, there we go. One cart. I figured it would be warped up real bad. Now it seems to be rolling good and square. Looks good, feels good. I do like the drawer. I've already put the padding in there. I don't know why I made these 4 keys to this one drawer, but yeah, it is what it is, right? I'll never lock that. But yeah, guys, this ain't bad at all. I mean, for $100, it's hard to beat. Time will tell if it holds up or what have you. And we'll just see, but y'all know me, I take care of stuff and treat it right. But like I say, time will tell. But for now, I'm happy with my $100 purchase. I don't know why I chose the lime green. I think I got tired of the basic red or blue. Because in my age growing up, all toolboxes were red. And except if you bought a Craftsman, which I got my dad's old Craftsman over there, they were gray. But that was pretty much it. Then they started coming out with black, then blue, and then yellow like my big box, and then the greens and things like that. So I thought this would just mix it up a little bit in the shop. It'd look cool and look appealing to me. But as far as what I really think about it, for $100, yeah, not too bad. Well guys, appreciate you watching that little video. Like I say, I just wanted you to see the cart, see how it goes together and the features and whatnot of it. That way if you're planning on buying one, you know, maybe this will help your decision on it by getting to see what it's all about. Again, appreciate you watching. If you would, throw me down some comments. If you're able, hit us up on Patreon. And please, like, share, and subscribe. Again, appreciate it. Until the next one, I hope that everyone has a fantastic day.